Hello, so I'm Elena Marie Escoral, and right now I'm about to do the M4 post test. So now we're already here in the Microsoft Access, and the first thing that we have to do is to name the file. So for the file name, as stated in the instruction, I'm going to name it as inventorydb underscore es coral. So my initials and my last name. So create it. So right now we're here in the datasheet view. And now I'm about to go to the design view. So we need to name the table rather. So inventory underscore table, as was also stated in the instructions. So now we're here in the design view, and the first thing that I have to do is to name the different fields. I'm going to input the different fields that are needed with their corresponding data type. So for the first one we have is the item ID. So here auto number lang. And also item ID here is the primary key. Next is the item name. For the item name, I decided to have yes, the text as a data type, and I'm just gonna change some of the field properties, and I'm going to change this into 100. And also I'm gonna add some format since I want it to be in uppercase letters. I'm gonna put what do you call it? Greater than sign. So next is we have quantity. So for the quantity, it's numbers. So we're going to pick number as our data type. Next is for the unit. So for this one, I'm not really sure if it's the unit cost or the unit of measurement, like in ml and grams. So as for me, I decided to have it as the units of measurement. So for this one, since it's in unit of measurement, it has numbers and also letters. So number as a data type would not be, so I'm just gonna choose text. And since it's konti lang naman, just gonna have like maybe 20 as their field size. Okay, 20. And next is we have the cost. So for the cost, this is in currency. Okay, I'm just gonna check the format if it's yes, right. In pesos and decimals. Next is we have the date purchase. So for this one, we need to have date and time as our data type. I'm just gonna change some formats according to my preference. So I'm gonna choose medium date. I think we're all set up for our different fields and their data types. So I'm just gonna save it. I'm just gonna click Ctrl S. And now we're going back to the datasheet view. So right now we're here in the datasheet view. Just going to change, resize it. Okay, so the first item, I'm just gonna click enter here. So for the first item is the cream soap. I'm just gonna type it like this, and I'm going to show you how the difference that I had with the format that I chose, like the greater than sign. So as you can see here, it's all in uppercase letter because the format that I have chosen, that I have done a while ago. Just gonna feel like I want to be. Oh no. Just gonna have it like this, I guess. Okay. Okay, so now for the quantity, I have 3. And for the unit is for the individual unit is it's in 350 ml. Its cost for the 3 cream silk conditioners for its 350 ml unit is 627 pesos. So it's in pesos and currency, and the date that I purchased is on August 20, 2021. Okay, so we have here the format that I have chosen a while ago. Also, the unit is in text, the currency, and uppercase letters for the item name. So next is number 2 item. We have head and shoulders. So even if I'm just going to type it like this, it's definitely okay because as soon as I enter it, it will automatically be in uppercase letter, just like that. So for this, I have a quantity of 2. For the unit, I have 150 ml, and its price is in 258. It will automatically be in peso sign with its decimal point. And I bought this last August 29, 2021. Next is, Safeguard. So mostly I bought personal care products. I bought 6 for 100 grams individual unit, and it's for 324 pesos. And I bought it last September 3, 2021. Next is Colgate toothpaste. Enter it. Colgate toothpaste. Bought 4, 120 ml, 396, and September 2021. Number 5, Nivea body lotion. 4, 250 ml, and it's worth 428. Bought it last September 7, 2021. Deonat natural deodorant spray. Not really sure if the unit cost, but I decided to have it in units of measurement. I hope I'm right, or it's considered right. So it's for 360, and I also bought it as September 7, 2021. Number 7 is the Solid Tech facial wash. For this one, I bought also 2 of it, and it's 100 ml. It's worth 394 for the both of them, and it's September 7. Oops, I put the whole month. Listerine mouthwash. Cool. For this one, I have 250 ml. It's worth for 120 pesos, and I bought it last September 9, 2021. Next is I have Johnson's. Oops, wait, I forgot. Johnson's baby powder. This one I bought 2 and 200 grams. It's worth 470 pesos, and I bought it last September 11, 2021. This is for number 10. We have we have Green Cross Total Defense Sanitizer with hand sanitizer. I bought 4. It's 1000 ml. It could also be 1 liter, but 1000 ml would do also because it is what stated on the product as well. I bought it the September 12, 2021. So right now I have the 10 products or personal care products that I bought with a different date that I purchased it. So for the item ID, I have 10 records of this one. You could just put it in the record navigation bar. So I have 13, safeguard. So I have a total of 10. And also for the quantity, different quantities, I'm just going to put the quantity. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this for the quantity and also for the unit. Just gonna format it and put it in the center. And also for the date purchase, I'm gonna put it in the center. Okay, so I think I'm already done inputting all the things that I needed for this activity. So these are the item ID, the item name or the products that I bought, the quantity for each product, the unit or units of measurement. But I believe it can also be in unit cost. I'm still not sure, but I chose this because it's also unit. It says here that it's unit. And the cost and also the date purchased. That's it. Bye.